Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to program an Acura TL key fob. Before we begin, please gather all the key fobs you intend to program for your vehicle. It is important that all doors, windows, and the trunk are completely closed. Make sure you are seated comfortably in the driver's seat with your ignition key and all remotes ready to go. Now let's get into programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, which is just before starting the engine. Within 4 seconds, press either the lock or unlock button on one of your remotes. Then, within another 4 seconds, turn the ignition back to the OFF position. You will repeat this entire on button OFF sequence 3 times in total. After completing the third on button OFF cycle, turn the ignition to the on position one last time. Within 4 seconds, press the lock or unlock button on your first remote. The door lock should cycle, indicating that the remote has been successfully programmed. If you have more remotes, press a button on each additional remote within 4 seconds of the previous one to sync them. To finalize the process, simply turn the ignition to the OFF position and remove the key. Now, take a moment to test all of your newly programmed key fobs. Check that the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons are all functioning correctly. Your vehicle can usually store programming for up to 3 key fobs, so ensure all your remotes are working as expected.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.